Hello everyone, myself Ansushi and I am a student at Swaminarayan University. Today I am going to solve the lead code number 1089, which is duplicate zeros. Let's first read the question. In a given fixed array integer, that is r, duplicate each occurrence of 0, shifting the remaining elements to the right. Means that elements beyond the length of the original array are not written. Do the above modifications to the input array in place and do not return anything. So first of all, the goal here is simple. At first we are given a fixed length integer array. Every time we find a 0, we need to duplicate it because the array has a fixed length. Adding an extra 0 uh, means that we have to shift all the extra zeros to the right, and any elements that spill past the original end of the array are simply dropped. Firstly, the problem requires us to make those modifications in place without using extra space for a copy of the array. Uh, Firstly, the approach we are going to use, that out of the two array conceptual on the screen, one representing the imaginary extended array and one representing where the element actually land. So if we try to solve this by iterating from left to right and inserting a 0 whenever we see 1, we will run into a major issue here. We will overwrite valid elements before we have to chance to look at or shift them. So let's implement the code. First of all, let's look the logic behind the code. First of all, I am using here int n equals to array dot size int possible equals to 0. Then int length equals to length to consider here that equals to n minus 1. Now the step we are using here is the first step we have been using, that the find the number of zeros to be duplicated within the bounds or within the given length. We'll using the for loop. Insert the for loop int I equals to 0, starting from the 0 to the length to consider. Then I So let's solve the question. First of all, we will be using the int in equals to, we are using here vector database. Int array dot size, then using the for loop, if the temp dot size is greater than or equals to the n temp dot push here. If statement is used if it's a 0, and add a second one if it num equals to 0 and temp dot size is less than n, temp dot push back to 0. After running the code, as we can see, it has been accepted all the cases. Now submit it. As we talk about this code, the loop through the original array will move from left to right, and if the number is not 0, it will copy it to the temp, and if the number is 0, it will copy 2 zeros to temp. It will stop as soon as the temp reaches the original array's length, and then copies the temp into back to the array. So if you understand this question, please like the video. Thank you for watching my video.